Welcome to Think Beyond Success Online English. My name is Aisha. I am your English coach. In today's video, we are going to dive into a skill that is essential for effective communication. By the end of this video, you will be having a tool you needed to express your thoughts, ideas effectively and confidently. Friends, does this happen with you anytime that you are struggling to express your ideas with clarity, leaving others confused or misunderstanding your intention? Even though you have the best ideas, people don't buy it. Have you experienced this situation where just because you were unable to convey the message properly, you spoiled your relationship? Does this happen with you any time that you are discussing something very important point, something very important topic, and you found yourself lost and discussing something else, some other point which was irrelevant to your main topic? Sometimes you may have also experienced this situation that to express your thoughts clearly, you may have not found the right word at right time. Friends, if you have experienced all these things, then you are not alone. It is quite common, everyone experiences the same. But thinking that it's a general issue, you should not stay with the issue forever. You should try to find out and try to fix this problem as early as possible. But fear not, friends, I am here to share 4 simple yet powerful strategies to enhance your thought articulation skills and leave a everlasting impression on your listener. The number 1 strategy is introspect and action. Start finding out the number 1 problem, the number 1 challenge. For example, if you're finding interview rejection several times, sit down, sit with pen and paper, pen it down. What is holding you back from clearing the interview? Is it your resume? Is it your grooming? Is it your skill or knowledge that is required for the post and you need to work on it? So try to find out the problem. I would suggest to sit in front of a mirror and have a role play with your own reflection. It is not with somebody else, it is with your own reflection. Assume your reflection in the mirror as a client and ask appropriate question to find out the problem solution. For example, when you introspect, when you find out what is your problem and when you ask question related to that, definitely you will come up with the right answer, right solution for it, and try to work upon it. And while doing this, I would suggest you to record a video so that you will train your brain to find out, to identify the problem and its solution, and this will help you in critical thinking, friends. Number 2 technique is topic, focus and pace. Friends, many times it happens with us that we were discussing something important topic and later we found ourselves that we are speaking something irrelevant, something other which was not relevant to the main topic. And this happens because our brain and our speech don't go hand in hand. It happens because we are actually speaking very fast and our brain is not focusing, our brain is not functioning the same speed what we are speaking. So that is why we are unable to continue for the same point. So if you want to have a topic related talk, to have a main important talk, you should maintain your speed. You should reduce your speed so that your brain functions properly and at the same time you speak, and both goes hand in hand. So that is why, friends, it is very essential to go with a minimum speed, not too fast nor too slow, so that what will happen, you give a time to your brain to function properly, to provide information relevant to your topic, and you stay on the topic for longer time. Number 3 is brief pause technique. Practice brief pause technique. So what is brief pause techniques? Friends, when somebody asks a question to us, we human beings are tend to reply immediately. We rush to reply. We think that when we reply immediately, we sound fluent, but that is not exactly true, friends. When somebody asks a question, we have to give some time to our brain to analyze the question. What is the question? What could be the right and best answer for that? So give some time to brain to process, then you speak. When there is a clarity in your mind, there is a clarity in your speech. So it is not necessary that every time you have to give this brief pause technique, but initially when you are in a learning process, when you are doing this, when you are mastering this skill of thought articulation, you should apply this brief pause technique. But slowly, gradually, when your brain is trained that how to think, how to answer, this pause duration will reduce and eventually it disappear and you become fluent spontaneous speaker. You don't focus, like you don't articulate your thought, it automatically it happens because you have all these days you have trained your brain. Number 4 is improve your vocabulary. So friends, how to improve our vocabulary and why it is a must to improve our vocabulary? To have a clear conversation, to have a precise conversation, we should have a good collection of vocabulary. Whatever topic we are conversing, we should know a good range of vocabulary related to that topic. Then how can we collect the vocabulary? So whatever topic we generally speak, vocabulary is a vast topic. Vocabulary, to master vocabulary, it takes very long time, but I'm not asking you to master the entire vocabulary. I want you to master the vocabulary. I want you to learn the vocabulary which is relevant to your topic. For example, you are a sport person, you enjoy speaking about sports, then you listen something about sport, you listen the commentary, you read the sport articles, sports book, something. Okay, if you are a movie person, then you read the magazines related to movies, so that what will happen, when you read, when you listen to the topic, you collect a good range of vocabulary about that particular topic, and you can use that vocabulary in your conversation, and this will help you to speak precise and clear and leave everlasting impression on your listener friends. By implementing all these steps, slowly, gradually, you will master the art of thought articulation and eventually you will become a fluent speaker. Friends, I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you find this video knowledgeable, then please do comment and let me know how useful these techniques you found for yourself. Thank you friends. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe and keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now.